Questions on how to text curve. So we're going to build a logo and we're going to do a text curve. So we'll go to logo there. So get a fish flag. Brilliant. And then we'll go to the text box for now. So we've got the text there. I'm going to change to another font. I don't like the numbers there. And I will go to effects, and then you can see in effects you go down to curve. And when you got it like that and you want to adjust it to go around the circle, click the text, click effects, and you can actually bend it round the circle to get it to fit. Then you just got to play about with it till you get it the way you want it. So here I might have a space and get it to go around a bit. And then you want to bring in the bend, so you go to effects again, try and bring it around. You just have to keep playing about with it until you get it right. Because I don't have to move it too much, I might just go 90. See how it looks. Probably a little bit tighter. So I'll probably go 89. So I'm just hitting the backspace there to move it back. Just about nearly there. Might make the flag a little bit smaller. Starting to like that now, just about. England's a bit off. I'll backspace it a little bit more. It's about lining it up the best you can. Probably bang on. England's a bit out. I'm trying to get the L there. Probably defence, I'll space that. And that will do for that. So what I'll do then is that I'll group it. Right, is that a comma next to, remove that comma. That's probably messed it up a little bit. That's about right. So then I'll group them. Perhaps I'll put a logo in there. I'd probably fill the text up if I was going to print this on a t-shirt or something. I'd probably fill the gaps up there. Probably put some stars or something in there, like. So here, I'd group that for now. Adjust it. And I'm going to get some stars. Star graphic. Normally gives you a line to level it a little bit. So I was going to play about with it for a bit longer. I would do the rest of them, so I'll probably just do these red. And that's it. If you have any questions, please put in the comments and I'll get back to them. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.